Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
This is another live look over the Fawn Fire. More than 1,200 acres right now and on the move. It is 5% contained in Shasta County, just south of the lake. And we know that firefighters are reporting some erratic fire behavior out there as it's a little bit windy and definitely dry.
Yeah, we'll check in once again with Chief Meteorologist Jason Siff, tracking the hot and dry and windy conditions that are definitely impacting this fire, Jason.
Yeah, we saw this north wind coming yesterday and it still blows right now, but thankfully it will be weakening by tomorrow. But we're not to tomorrow yet. We still have that wind. You saw it in that live camera view, that smoke moving from right to left on your screen. That was a view looking toward the west. We still have that north wind and it's still hot outside. 97 degrees in Redding as well as Red Bluff. It's 95 degrees in Chico, 76 degrees in Mount Shasta, and 84 degrees in Boerne. The good news about the wind in Shasta County, it's not quite as strong. At the airport south of this fire, 9 miles an hour, but there were wind gusts up to 31 miles an hour earlier. We're still not quite done with that wind, but it will be weakening for us, which is very important for that firefight. Very little cloud cover outside right now. Most of what's happening in our sky is just the smoke from the Fawn Fire. Late tonight through early tomorrow, we're going to have less and less cloud cover above us. Fairly sunny sky for most of Northern California. If you subtract out all the smoke and haze from the Fawn Fire, we'll have some more high clouds moving overhead Saturday and Sunday, but much bigger changes are coming for the first half of next week. The same trough, that storm that I've been tracking all week, is still slated to move our way on Monday and Tuesday. So a fairly quiet Friday for us as well as Saturday. Sunday, the temperature's starting to drop. That ridge of high pressure getting weakened by this incoming storm. So expect more breezes and a few more clouds on Monday. There is a chance for a little bit of rain on Tuesday, but I expect almost all of it will fall in the mountains. There is a chance for it in the valley. I'm going to show you some precipitation forecast totals coming up in a second, but I still believe we're going to have more windy weather Tuesday than actual precipitation. Lingering breezes on Wednesday, and another storm tries to clip us over far northern California by a week from today. Now, the amounts of rain that we're expecting, not impressive. Most valley locations less than 1/10 of an inch. We could receive over 1/3 of an inch in our mountain locations, but I keep watching this all through the week, and I'll let you know what looks most likely for us. As far as the wind, very important. Still gusty wind coming from north to south over the valley, and then shifting to a northeast to southwest wind for the eastern parts of Shasta, Tehama, and Butte counties, especially around the ridge. The good news is, though, by noon tomorrow, that wind will be weaker, and then it shifts again. It'll be coming mainly from south to north by Saturday, and that's going to push a little bit more smoke our direction. But the good news is that north wind will be much weaker tomorrow. It will still be just as hot, though. High temperatures tomorrow for our northern mountains will be in the mid to upper 80s and lower 90s for the Trinity County area, as well as western Siskiyou County for the southern Cascades and northern Sierra. A cool night and a very warm day with highs in the 80s, but weaker wind tomorrow than we've had today. Speaking of which, still gusty wind tonight through early tomorrow for the ridge. Highs are going to be in the 80s and lower 90s. After a morning, they'll be fairly mild in the 60s and lower 70s. It'll still be smoky tonight over Shasta and Tehama counties with lows near 60. The wind will weaken, so the temperatures will drop a little bit further. Daytime highs just as high as today, between 95 and 98 degrees. And the Chico area also lows in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Hazy but smokier the further west you are, further north too. Daytime highs mid to upper 90s tomorrow afternoon, but tomorrow is going to be the hottest day of the next 7 days, if not longer. Here comes that storm early next week, dropping down to 73 degrees in Chico with more wind and a chance for showers. And for Redding, 97 degrees tomorrow, 88 Sunday, 77 windy with a chance for showers next Tuesday.